The RYOBI PBLIW01K1 impact wrench kit features a powerful brushless motor, offering impressive breakaway torque of 1,170 foot-pounds, making it ideal for demanding tasks. This impact wrench is part of the RYOBI ONE Plus system, which means the included 4 ampere-hour battery is compatible with over 260 other RYOBI cordless tools, enhancing its versatility. With its 4-mode control board, the wrench provides flexibility with low, medium, high, and auto modes, allowing precise control for various applications. The die-cast gear case construction ensures durability, even in the harshest work environments, providing reliability over long-term use. A friction ring anvil allows for quick socket changes, and the tri-beam LED work lights ensure visibility in darker spaces, improving overall efficiency. The 3-year manufacturer's warranty offers peace of mind, ensuring that the product is backed by RYOBI's commitment to quality.